What's up, guys? I'm back with another Honda video. In this video I want to talk about how I got my fuel pump replaced for free. If you ever get code P0087, most likely it's going to be your fuel pump. But if you have one of these 7th generation Honda Accords, you're most likely still under warranty, because these partially zero emission vehicles have warranty up to 15 years or 150,000 miles. So just take it to the dealership and they should fix the problem. Here is the new high pressure fuel pump. You need to remove this, and this is how you check to see if your car is a partially zero emission vehicle, and if it is, just come to your warranty book, check the back, and you can see here that the high pressure fuel pump is still under warranty for 15 years or 150,000 miles. So yeah, hopefully this video helps you out. Like the video and subscribe. The problem that I was having is that the car was struggling to accelerate. So I hooked up my OBD2 and it told me something was wrong with the fuel pump. So I routed myself to the Honda dealership, and on the way there the car was just struggling a lot to accelerate. So around 20 miles an hour it was just that's where it would struggle, but then after that it would just accelerate normally. So luckily I made it to the Honda dealership. I didn't have an appointment. I just stopped by early in the morning. It was like around 9 a.m. They took my car in. I dropped it off. 2 or 3 hours later, they called me and they told me that there was something wrong with the fuel pump, so they were gonna go ahead and replace it. When I dropped off the car, I told them that I had just gotten my fuel injectors replaced a few months ago, and that I was having a similar problem. So yeah, it saved a lot of money again. I don't know. Honestly, I didn't even ask how much it was gonna cost to get it replaced, but I did look up the part when I got home, and that part alone on rockauto.com is $600. So I'm guessing they probably were gonna want around $2,000 or a little bit less to replace the fuel pump, because they quoted me $2,000 to replace the fuel injectors. When I dropped off the car, I also noticed that I also had P0420, which is that's the code they usually get when there's something wrong with the catalytic converter. So I asked them about that when they called me and told me they were going to replace the fuel pump. And he said that the service advisor told me that the mechanic told them that P0087 might have triggered that other code, but if it does come back, to just take it back, and they were gonna install the new catalytic converter. So right now I'm at 144,000 miles. I'm close to that. I'm like 6,000 miles away from 150. So hopefully, if there's something wrong with the catalytic converter, I can just get it replaced before. If that happens, I'll keep you guys updated, let you know how the process went, if it was easy or if it was like a pain for them to swap out the catalytic converter if it happens.